Hi guys, Mama Beach here. I'm here to do a quick outlet online unboxing for Coach. And if you're interested in shopping on the Coach outlet online, I'm going to link the real site below. There are some fake sites out there, so please be careful. Only go to the site I linked below. And you have to sign up with your email in order to receive an invite to shop online with them on their outlet store. And these are all outlet styles that I picked up. None of these are retail styles. And I picked them up for my mother-in-law. I gifted her my Dooney & Bourke Ambler bag in the color apricot, I think it is. It's a light salmon color. It's really pretty and she absolutely loves it. But she's looking for something similar in black that she can carry in the darker months and also when she needs something a little more neutral. And I thought there were some really good options at Coach Outlet right now. So I picked up 3 options for her that I think she might like that are kind of similar to the Ambler. And if you're not familiar with the Ambler, it's a crossbody about yay big. It's got a square shape. It's almost like a camera bag. So here's what I picked up for her. I want to share it with you guys as I unbox it. They actually did put some air paper in here, so that's awesome. And let's see, the first one I'm gonna pick out here is this guy. So this, I believe, is the, let me try to find my receipt. Okay, I finally found my receipt. It was way in the bottom. This is the small Mia. Now, I've always thought the Mia was a really nice looking practical bag. And in this dark brown color combination with the black, I think it's extremely sophisticated. Now, she did ask me for a black crossbody, but I thought this might be okay just because it is so dark and neutral. And this one has the black trim on it. You can see it's a really nice shape, great size. It's a little big for a crossbody, but I just really think this is a great looking bag. Let me unwrap the strap and I'll show you what it looks like with the black trim. Okay, here it is all unwrapped. You can see it has the black short strap and then it comes with a black crossbody strap. There's a hint of pink on the other side, which I think is a really cute touch. And it's nice to have the versatility here of carrying it as a shoulder bag or as a crossbody. I think it would look great as either. My one concern is that she's gonna be annoyed that this strap, this short strap, doesn't come off. So I'm definitely gonna point that out to her when she tries it on and see if that's really gonna be a deal breaker for her. I don't know why they wouldn't make it detachable. It just makes more sense to be detachable, but they didn't. So that may be a deal breaker for this bag. The next bag that I picked up is the one that most closely resembles the bag that she likes, the Ambler, and it is this bag called the Lunch Pail. And it is based off of a vintage Coach style that I believe was also called the Lunch Pail. It has that squarish shape that I know she likes. This one is totally black. It even has dark hardware, so I know she'll definitely like that about it. And it has a top handle, just like the Ambler has. So I think this has a lot of things going for it, and I hope she picks this one, because honestly, I think it's kind of the coolest. Let me show you guys the inside real quick. I can get into it here. It's pretty large. It's actually larger than I was expecting. Really spacious on the interior. It has just a couple of slip pockets on the inside, but that's a lot of space. I feel like you can fit a lot in here. And once again, it just has the matching black strap. Not a lot going on here, not a lot of details, but I kind of feel like she normally goes for more simple bags, so I don't know. I feel like this might be the winner when I finally show all these to her, but you just never know. Maybe one of these other ones will speak to her. What I'm gonna do is when I finally show her these and she picks one, I'm gonna put a pinned comment down below of what she picked, just so you guys will know, because I know I would want to know if I was watching this video. The last bag that I picked up is something that I actually want for myself, so I kind of hope she doesn't pick it. I have looked at these a few times. This is the Jess crossbody. I think these are so cool looking. It is, once again, that square shape I know that she likes. It has the 2 zip compartments, which is similar to the other bag that I gifted her, so I know she'll like that. Totally black, kind of more simple. It just has that big embossed Coach logo on the front, which I think is so cool looking. The inside, let's check it out. Oh, these things are so well stuffed. I mean, I'm kind of shocked. I don't always have such good luck with the outlet. Once again, pretty simple, no card slots or anything, just a slip pocket on the back wall, nothing in the front, but This is also a really good option for her, especially because of this. Outside back pocket, really large back pocket, would definitely fit a plus size smartphone. So that's a big plus. And the strap on these are a little bit different. So this is why I don't know if she's gonna go for this one because of the strap. The straps on these are a little bit wide. They've definitely, I mean, I think they're cool, especially in some of the other color combinations, but I think this might be a bit much for her. It has kind of a sparkly silver stripe going down it, and it's this cotton webbing, which is extremely comfortable to carry, I'm sure. And I bet when I show this to her, what I'm gonna say to her is just carry it backwards. Honestly, if this bothers you, just turn the strap over, carry it backwards. I mean, it's just a dog clip on the end, so it'll rotate, and then you can just have a plain black strap. And this you could carry for hours on end and not feel the weight of it, because this is just like crazy comfortable strap. So I'm really excited about this option too. I think I have a winner in here, but I will definitely post below with a pinned comment when she picks one or if she picks one of these. And I'll also let you guys know if I decide to keep any of them for myself, because I think some of them are pretty cool. All right, thank you guys for joining me today. If you have not subscribed, I hope that you will. I love Coach, but I love so many other brands too. So if you're not a Coach person, but you just really love unboxings and you love other brands of handbags, please consider subscribing to my channel. I unbox all sorts of things, and I also do reviews, comparisons, that sort of thing. So if you like that, please subscribe and hit the little bell so you get notifications of all my new videos. All right, guys, appreciate your support here on YouTube, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.